Hello guys, today I will show you how to unlock on your Ninebot 32 kilometers per hour, which is available only for the US version, but if you bought it in Asia or Europe or any other country which is not allowed 32 kilometers per hour, and by default it's going not less and much less than 32 kilometers. So this instruction, this guidance will help you to unlock your Ninebot and enjoy all the additional features such as speed 32 kilometers per hour and cruise control and others which are available for the US version of the scooter. Basically, what you need to do is just to change your serial number. So on this video I will show you how to do it using the Windows. Also, another option available is do it on Android. Unfortunately, for Apple devices such as MacBook or iPhone is not available, so you can choose two options, or on Android. And for Android I already recorded the video, so you will see right now the card with this video, and you can find this video in a link in the description to this video. And in this video I will show you how to do it on Windows, basically on Windows laptop. Alright, so for now what you need to do, the step number one is download Ninebot Flasher, which is free app available in Microsoft Store. I already downloaded. Then after downloaded you just open it. So basically you already have it here. Also, you have this instruction in front of your eyes, what you need to do. So you have 5 steps only, it's very fast. And the first step is to open Ninebot Flasher and connect to your scooter. So let's do it, let's start. And let's search for the scooter. Here is a scooter, here is a name. You click connect. So now it's connecting. You probably need to do is to confirm on your scooter, press the power button to pair. So I click 2 times. Click 1 time, paired. So you see serial number here appears. You can write here serial number. So that's serial number of my scooter, of my bike. What you need to do for versions that I've got Ninebot Kick Scooter F2 Plus. What I need to do is to change one button or to change one letter from J to S. So basically you'll have NAG, then SC. All the others keep same. Here you can see I already changed it. Basically it's type in your new serial number in the text box and change J to S. Actually I did it already, but if you have different scooter version, you can change in Google what letter you should change to which one, and basically you can follow this instruction. Just you need to find your serial number and what you should change in your serial number. You can see my serial number in front of me, already changed here. So then let's do the step number 3. Press Ctrl Alt A and you should see some new button appear. So let's press it here. As you see, we have additional buttons. Write 3 different versions. Then I copy again my number and click on, you need to paste it here, of course. And then based on instruction number 4, you need to click on write escape serial number. So basically this button what we need to click to change the speed and to unlock all the features. So let's click here, write serial number. So now you heard some noise of your e-bike. And then let's check it out. Serial number. As you see, it's appear already as a new serial number here. Let's try one more time. So already new number. And you can actually turn it off, turn it on, and let's try it again. I will reconnect it to show you that everything changed. Open up, turn on my scooter. So for first time it take maybe 15 seconds or 10 seconds to turn on. You will hear some noise. Then let's start scanning. So as you see, it's already appeared with a new serial number. So let's connect to it. Connecting. Need to confirm again. Okay, seems I confirmed. Press power. Alright, so paired. As you see now, click again, serial number appeared here and serial number already with letter S. meaning that you have unlocked all the functions. So now I will come to my scooter and show you that what I've unlocked here. So I will connect again. You need to reconnect using your app on your phone. Doesn't matter, it's iPhone or Android device. So you need again use official app to add your scooter one more time, and you will see additional features here. So I will basically, for this type of instructions, that's it. I will right now move to my scooter and show you actually what I've unlocked. Okay, let's see you there. So I already reconnected with this. You see here it's a new serial number with S button. And what we've got here, actually we have general settings still same, but we have cruise mode available. So basically you have three options for cruise mode. It's enabled by pressing direction, indicator switch for 3 seconds, or enabled by holding throttle for 5 seconds. So basically the cruise mode allows you to fix the speed if you're going long way on one road, then for 5 kilometers straight away you don't need to hold the speed button, let's say. So you just turn it on cruise mode and going straightly without clicking anything, which may be useful for you. It's only available for the US version, for unlocked version. In my previous version it was not available. And the most important here, what you're waiting for is the speed. So two options started to appear here. First one is the start speed. Actually now you can select to start from 0 kilometers per hour up to 5, and by default it's only 3, so it's also security reasons they put it in Europe and other countries, but in the US it's freedom. So basically here you can choose by yourself what you want, starting from 0 to 5, but you need to pay attention that if it's less than 3 kilometers per hour, you need to unlock your bike first because it will be in a park mode. So to exit it, you need to press the brake lever to exit park mode before riding. Also, you can choose the metrical or regular one here. And what's most important for you here will be its speed. Custom settings of sport mode. So here you have acceleration settings as it was before, max speed, normal, energy saving, but the most important is the maximum speed. So now it can be from 15 kilometers per hour until 32 kilometers per hour. So actually it's unlocked here, and if you click to speed mode, you will go 32 kilometers per hour instead of 25 as it was before for my version F2 Plus. For some versions the maximum speed will be up from 20 kilometers per hour to 25 kilometers per hour, or from 25 kilometers per hour to 30 kilometers per hour. For F2 Plus and Pro it will be 32 kilometers per hour. So basically all the other settings are still same. Actually there is nothing more to review, so the most important is the speed. So for battery life, as you see now I'm in eco mode, which is 51 kilometer range. Let's change to drive mode, and in the drive mode currently the maximum speed is not 20 kilometers per hour, it's actually 25 kilometers per hour. It's 5 kilometers more than it was before, so 37 kilometers range on 93% charged, and 33 kilometer range up to 32 kilometers per hour. That's what we were waiting for. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this review. If you still have some questions, please leave it in the comments below. Also, you will find in the description the video how to unlock 35 kilometers per hour on your Android device. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.